Hi everyone. This is the topic energy of photon. So as we know, energy of photon is given by this relation. Energy is h into nu, where nu is the frequency and h is the Planck's constant, and the value of Planck's constant is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joules second. So this is your Planck's constant value in SI unit. Okay, and we know frequency is c by lambda. Okay, so h nu will be hc by lambda. So that gives us another formula of energy, okay, where lambda is the wavelength. And in terms of electron volt, okay, so that formula will become energy formula will become 12400 divided by lambda. Here we have to substitute the value of lambda in angstrom, or 1240 divided by, this will give you energy in electron volt divided by lambda. Okay, when you are using a single zero here or 1240, lambda you have to put in nanometer. Okay, so this will give you again energy in electron volt. So these are the formulas of energy which you need to remember. Then mass of photon. So we know that rest mass of photon is zero. Rest mass means when photon is not traveling, we'll assume its mass is zero, but its effective mass is given by, so you have energy is equals to mc square, and energy we have already found it is h into nu. So just solve these two. From here you can say in mass will be h nu by c square. Okay, and nu by c is 1 by lambda. So from here you will get this formula of mass as h by c lambda. Next is finding the momentum of photon. Okay, we know photon momentum will be mass into velocity. That is the formula of momentum. So speed of the photon is speed of light, and from here mass is h by c lambda. So you will get the momentum formula as h by lambda. So you have to remember this formula. Momentum is E by C, you have to remember, and momentum is h by lambda, you have to remember. Okay, and mass is h by c lambda. These formulas we have to remember. Now next is number of photons which are being emitted from a source of monochromatic radiation of wavelength lambda and power p. Okay, so let's say total energy which is being emitted is p, and energy of one photon is E. So total energy divided by energy of one photon will give you the total number of photons which are being emitted per second. Okay, and we have already found the formula of energy, that is sc by lambda. So from here, the number of photon emitted will be given by this formula, P lambda by Hc. Next is intensity of radiation. Now, intensity is energy crossing or energy falling per unit area normally per second. Okay, that is energy. Intensity is energy falling on an area normally per unit time or per second. So that will be your formula of intensity. Now energy formula we have already found, uh, like Sc by lambda will be energy of one photon. Okay, and let's say n number of photons are falling, so that will be the total energy of photons which will be falling. So from here you can calculate the intensity also. Now at a distance r from a point source of power P, intensity is given by this formula. So this is a standard formula you have to remember. Intensity is power divided by 4 pi r square, where r is the distance from the point source. Okay, next is examples which we will do in next video lecture. Thank you.